Hello, Ben, Becky.
Hello.
So we're going Belair National Park. What is here? And this is the map. We're going to be doing this red one, what's called the low-key loop, until we get to the pink bit, what is the waterfall hike. We'll do all that and then come back round here. Should be about 3 hours and something, hopefully. How do you pronounce that again? Ghana land. That doesn't look like it, but oh well.
That's how people say it.
Yeah, that's it for now. Goodbye. Spotted our first kangaroo. It is there. I don't know if you can see it or not. I can't get close to this time, unfortunately. But I'm sure that hopefully there'll be some more. They're just there. Yeah. This is what the trail looks like. Nice sun in the background. There's Becky walking. Here's me. 2 seconds later, we've seen another kangaroo. Oh my god, there's loads.
Yeah.
They're all in the bush. And there's some on the other side. I'm going to try and get close to this one for you. Eating. Which running away? Yes. There's more down there. Maybe a little family. People with dogs coming. Yeah. Look, you are. They're the first hints of water. And through on this bridge. And that way. And here's the track currently. Lots of big trees. And things. Oh. We're shattered. It's warm. I'm tired. To be fair, the track's pretty flat. There's not been too much uphill or anything like that, so that's alright. We're going into something called an eco tunnel right now. I think that might be something to do with a railway track or something. Oh, there's a bird up there. I don't know if you can see it or not. Very loud. Yes. Lovely surroundings. Let's see what it's saying about this. Oh, some ducks. Not there anyway. See what it says about this eco tunnel. Looks like it's down here. A bit scary actually. Where it was built. This is a footpath to waterfalls. Oh, yeah, here's one of them. Hopefully we'll see something like that. Yeah, so we're gonna go into this tunnel now. It's not scary at all, so it's fine. Like just this little hole. I feel I might have to duck a little bit. Some water next to us. Okay, there's the end of the tunnel. We do have to duck.
How small is it?
I know. Obviously you can't really see a lot. What I'm going to try is get my phone and shine a light. Nope, that does not help at all. Helps my eyes there. Can't see any spiders or anything, so that's good. But I'll leave you here until we go out. Throughout the tunnel. Oh, that was an experience. Yeah, so there's the tunnel. This is where we're going now. Exciting. Uphill.
Right there.
Tired. Oh, the sun's shining through now. Got some lovely surroundings. too long. Oh, that was a very difficult part of a lot of uphill. They're shattered. Water break. No koalas or anything yet in the trees. And no more kangaroos since, fortunately. So we have made it to the lower waterfall viewing platform. What's this way? Let's have a little look-see. See what there is. And I think that's the way to the upper viewing platform. Nice view. Look here. It's quite dark, unfortunately. There's the waterfall. Oh, it's not super flowy. But still nice nonetheless. I'm not sure what's this way. If it carries on going or if it's the end of the platform. I think it could be the end. So there we go. I believe this could be the end. That's good. Good viewing potential. It seems like people walk that way, but that's it here. Oh. So we've just come up this section. Caution, steep, shattered. But it's all been worth it. There's a koala. And I know you can't really see it now, but I use my phone and I'll zoom in so you can see it sleeping. Oh, we're just walking now. Huh? I'm just videoing. Nice view. Bit of a rocky path. Unfortunately no more koalas yet. I've really been looking. Got an issue with trees. Sun shining through. Oh, yeah, a little bit hot. It's alright, I think we're about 5 minutes or so away from the next waterfall. It should be the halfway point. Start heading back. Pretty sure it's a loop, so it'll be a different track. Back thing. See you when we get to the waterfall. There it is. Actually, you can't really see its face. You can maybe just see its face. Unfortunately, it's facing away from us. There it is, you can see it. Cute. There's two little birds in the tree over there. Hard to see them because the backlit, but... Right, bet 1 out of 10 for me to push you off. 3, 2, 1, 4. Nah, damn it, I will. section here, that's it's alright. How steep. Yeah, she don't look impressed at that. Oh, is it a kookaburra? No. It's the one that laughs. Oh, it's there. So here's the waterfall.
The dribble.
Bit shit really. Probably not worth the hike. But nice views at least. Walk a bit higher up, see. Yeah, not much really. Just falls off the edge there. Oh well. This may be the end of the video, we'll see.
Yeah.
Unless anything else interesting happens, but we're halfway through, so just gotta do the walk back. It's currently, what time is it? 9:30, about an hour and a half.
Yeah.
Hopefully an hour and a half back and then get some nice food.
Yeah.
Subscribe, like
Like and subscribe.
and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.
Bye.